Good morning, everyone. It is Mitchell, aka The Walker in Orlando, and welcome back to Busch Gardens. We are here for one thing and one thing really. We are finally riding Iron Gwazi. So we're over here today. We haven't been over in Busch Gardens since about early November, late September. I can't remember the exact time frame, but we are here, and I've got my Iron Gwazi shirt on. First thing we're heading to this morning. On top of that, we'll also do some little things that we didn't do last time we came and take it a little bit slow today, but we're real excited for this. All right, so we are now in. Got over to get the disability pass, and we're heading straight over to Gwazi to get a return time. Kind of curious to see what the wait time is for it right now. I've seen it go a few times, and I'm really excited to see it. I thought I'd never live to see the day that we can actually walk up. Like, been behind walls for so long. 40 minutes, not bad, but we do have the return time we will get it for, so I wonder what time we'll have to come back for it. Remember when they put up the sign and everything? Oh, I kind of like the little, like, the garland almost around it. But man, so excited. So we gotta wait a little bit before we can ride it, but it's gonna be worth it, I feel like. So we came back into like their emporium, and I wanted to look for Iron Gwazi stuff, and so it's actually kind of cool. They have Iron Gwazi stuff, but then they have classic Gwazi pins as well. So they've got the old original Gwazi. They've got it when it was Tiger and Lion. But then you've got your new Iron Gwazi. And then nice. I kind of like this actually kind of a lot. But what I like is that sucker looks so cool. This is like the top view of the front car on Iron Gwazi. And then they have a Iron Gwazi pin and patch set. It's only $15. Honestly, it's more a better deal than that pin is, because that pin is $24. I do love these like pictures or posters of each. Oh yeah, I support the sluts. Of all the different attractions they have. So like Sand Serpent, Montu, Kumba, the Python, which no longer exists, original Gwazi, Cobra's Curse, Tigress, Scorpion, and then they have an Iron Gwazi version as well. So since we do have a little bit of time before our Iron Gwazi return time, we are going to head on over towards the right-hand side towards Cheetah Hunt, Montu, and Cobra's Curse to see what the wait times are over there, because the fact that Iron Gwazi is only a 40-minute wait kind of says it's not super busy right now. I anticipated Iron Gwazi honestly to be over an hour plus, but the fact that it's only 40, not bad. So Cheetah Hunt is posting a 50-minute wait, but also it's kind of nice is that I didn't know that they actually did this. Is one of the upgrades they did to the Busch Gardens app is they've now actually have wait times. Now I don't know if the wait times work on Android, because I tried looking at the wait times and I couldn't see them, but when Kayla pulled up it on her iPhone, it ended up working. So I think it only works on Apple products right now. So I came over here to ride Montu because my mom still hasn't done it yet. Kayla won't do Montu, but they repainted like all the structures. Like it is very bright yellow. Also, it's about to come down, which this is a very intense ride. I think it's also one of the coolest rides. But it's nice, I do have the GoPro today, and it's all set up with the wrist strap, so anything we ride today, you guys will be coming along with us. Big hill, and then it comes. And then over into roll. All right. Swing it up the side. Well, when we got in line for Montu, it said 5 minutes, and as we determined, it was actually more like a 15-minute wait, 15-20 for where we were, and as we left, the line was now out the door, and about 30 minutes. So we kind of got in line at a good time for that, because now it is pretty much time for us to walk over and do Iron Gwazi, the main thing we want to do. So hopefully they don't have to give me issues, so they can take y'all on with us on the GoPro, which would be awesome. So, but we gotta go meet up with Kayla because she does not do that ride anymore. Also, I was kind of noticing that it looks like they've been doing a lot of painting because Montu has a really gorgeous color on the support now. Cheetah Hunt has the green really pops now, and the vehicles look really clean. So I don't know if they were just doing, like, maybe it was part of their thing before spring break started. But I am kind of glad to see that they have gone through and painted and given some of the rides some more of that love and care that they deserve. Probably because with Gwazi coming in, they knew they were going to be busier. So, but speaking of Gwazi, time to head over there, do Iron Gwazi. And one short walk back over here to Iron Gwazi. So excited. Also, the line is a lot less because the line was all the way down to here when we came over here before. Now it's a lot shorter. I'm so excited.
Oh no, what do I do with my hands?
I don't know. Let's watch out now.
Oh my god, I'm nothing. Okay, I'll just cross my arms.
Oh, I'm so excited! So excited! My hand. Quick change. Here we go. Ready? You're gonna hate this. You're gonna hate this.
Stop, stop! I'm already blacking out. I'm already blacking out. I'm already blacking out. I swear to God. My ears are popping. That was the one I done.
I think that's my new favorite coaster ever.
Wow.
Well, that might honestly be my new favorite coaster I've ever been on. However though, side note, we were going back up to ride again because there was no line. I wanted to ride in the back row. And as we were we were sitting down in the train, and the train that we were on ended up having something go wrong. So they kicked us back out, they took it around, maintenance team looked at it, they brought the train back in. It still was not working. So right now, Iron Gwazi is currently down right now. So, oh well, maybe we'll try to get on it before we leave, but I think we're just gonna go get a return time for Cheetah Hunt and then try to go do the Serengeti Express.
Express takes you up 70 It is a family friendly ride, as it does not have any dive drops, and it does not go upside down. And their stripes stop at their stomach, giving them a white belly. Please remain seated at all times.
Oh, Sam, look at the ones on this side, on your side.
And their eggs are so large that just one ostrich egg equals up to 25 chicken eggs.
So we've been doing the train, which actually makes 3 stops. Normally, most days they don't make this Congo stop, but they are, and so we're currently going because we're trying to get to Stanleyville to try to have food at the smokehouse, and then maybe go over and try to do maybe Gwazi one more time and/or Cheetah Hunt. Depends on what time it is because it's getting kind of late. So we ended up getting off at Stanleyville because then the next stop was going to be back over next to Cheetah Hunt and everything, and we actually came over here because we wanted to get the Zambia Smokehouse. Honestly, one of my favorite places to eat at, honestly. Mostly because barbecue. But it's also a really good view because you get probably some of the best views of Shikra, which is actually running without anyone on it. Oh, I see people back on it again. This is their dive coaster here. So we ended up getting the sampler, which has ribs, brisket, and smoked chicken, because I am very hungry right now, so hopefully got enough napkins, and a ton of water, because always need water. So the smokehouse, once again, I feel like was actually a lot better this time. Like, we did like it before, but I like it because it's something different. Like, it's not just pizza, chicken, burger, stuff like that. I actually really like the smokehouse here. So that's like one of my big recommendations, that if you do come to Busch Gardens and you're looking for somewhere to eat and they have the all-day dining, it's a great place to use it at. So kind of in this area between Stanleyville and Gwazi Park, where Iron Gwazi is, they have all of the food and wine things out, but here they only do it Friday through Sunday, which is so frustrating, but it's what it is. All right, gonna try this one more time. See if we can get on for one more ride through of Iron Gwazi before we head out. Yeah, this, hey, by the way, have fun. Oh, holy crap. Oh boy. Holy shit. Oh my god. I was gonna have to hold us too. Oh, I can't even see the edge. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Hope my boobs are still in. Wow, wow, wow.
So, kind of perfectly timed out. Cam and Mom said we come over to check to see if Gwazi's running, because it is right here in the front of the park. And it was. And just as you can see, Seesaw rode in the front. We actually rode that in the front row, and that was insane. Like, oh my god, that was way too stinking fun. That was a lot of fun, actually. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a day from Busch Gardens. Kind of, despite the 3 rides, the 2 rides on Iron Gwazi and Montu, we just kind of did a little, not a whole lot. We kind of took it a little bit slow today. We kind of took a little at a time, and then we also rode the train at one point, and also had lunch over at the smokehouse. Probably could have done a little bit more, but we didn't want to jump back and forth from side to side like I did the last time we came, so took it a little bit slower, just kind of tried to stay in one general area. Plus, really, it's all about riding Iron Gwazi. So the fact that we got it on twice, and I got a front row ride out of it, almost got a back row ride out of it, but it broke down. So, I mean, overall, good day. We'll probably be out here hopefully in about a month again to come out here and ride again, and then from there, don't know when the next time I will try to be out here. So, but with that being said, as we do head out from a fantastic trip out here to Busch Gardens, we will see you all next time.